all lines having slope 2 which are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x minus 3 where x is not equal to 3. So again you have to find out what is dy by dx. Y is equal to 1 by x minus 3. This is given in order to, for the existence of this x minus 3 should not be equal to 0. That's why. Now dy by dx will give you minus 1 by, this is your x minus 3 the whole raised to minus 1. So you will get minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square raised to minus 1 which is minus 2. Okay, so this is your derivative. Now what is given? The slope is given to be 2. That means this is also slope. Given slope of the tangent is equal to 2. That means this is your slope of the tangent. So you can write 1 minus 1 by x minus 3 the whole square is equal to 2, which will give you x minus 3 the whole square is equal to negative 1 by 2, right? Now you just see something the whole square is giving you a negative quantity. Can it happen? This is not possible, right? If you are taking the whole square, you should get a positive quantity, but here you are getting a negative quantity, means this is not possible. That means you can say that you cannot find any equation, or there is no line having slope 2 which is tangent to this curve. Okay, this is not possible. Again, possible. Why? Because the square of any number cannot be negative. Okay, this is not possible since square of any number can't be negative. Therefore, there does not exist any line with slope 2 which is tangent to the given line. Sorry, given curve. Okay, understood why? Because you are getting this concept, you cannot find that x at which the line will be tangent to the curve. Okay, so this is not possible, therefore you cannot find any line which will be having the slope and which is tangent to this curve. Okay, clear? Here you have to find out the equation of all lines having slope 0 which are tangent to the curve y equal to 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3. So again we will differentiate this in order to find out the slope of the tangent. So dy by dx, this can be written as x square minus 2x plus 3 the whole raised to minus 1. Okay, for the ease of calculation of the derivative. So you'll get minus 1 into x square minus 2x plus 3 the whole raised to minus 1 which is minus 2 into the derivative of x square minus 2x plus 3 which will give you 2x minus 2, right? That means this can be written as minus, here you can take out 2 into x minus 1 divided by, power is minus 2, so this will become in the denominator as plus 2 plus 3 the whole square. So this is your derivative, or you can say slope of the, found out the slope of the tangent as this, and again in the question it is given to be 0. So we will equate this to 0. Okay, given slope is equal to 0. That means you will get minus 2 into x minus 1 by x square minus 2x plus 3 the whole square is equal to 0, which will give you x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So you got x coordinate. Now you have to find out what is y, and you will substitute the value in the curve. Okay, therefore y, when x is equal to 1, y will be 1 by 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 3 which is equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 plus 3, which will give you minus, okay, it is giving you 1 by 2, right? 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, so this is the point, that is 1 comma 1 by 2 is the point where the line is having the tangent to the curve. So we will find out now the equation of the tangent. You have to find out all lines, that means that is the equation of all line, means that is the equation of the tangents. Okay, you have got only one point, so you will get only one equation for the line also. Tangent at the point, what will be that point? X comma y coordinate. So 1 comma 1 by 2 is y minus y naught equal to slope into dy by dx into x minus x naught, which will give you y minus y naught is 1 by 2 in equal to what is dy by dx, that is given to be 0, that you can use here. Instead of finding out or replacing this and then putting the value 1 comma 1 by 2, the question is having that slope is 0. So you can just write 0 into x minus 1, which will give you y minus half is equal to 0 or y is equal to 1 by 2. So this is the equation of the line having slope 0, which is tangent to the given curve. Question number 13. Find the points on the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 at which tangents are first one parallel to x axis, second one parallel to y axis. So first we will start with the given curve, which is x square by 9 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, what you will get? This will become 2x by 9 plus 2y by 16 into dy by dx, because you are differentiating with respect to x, is equal to 0. Okay, now this is 8. So y by 8 into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9, or dy by dx is equal to minus 2x by 9 into, you will have y in the denominator and in the numerator you will have 8, which will give you minus 16x by 9y. This is your dy by dx, or you can say slope of the tangent. Right? Now first question or first subdivision is parallel to, you have to find the points on the curve x comma y when the line is, that is the tangent is parallel to the x axis. When tangent is parallel to the x axis, the slope of the tangent will be equal to 0, right? Now parallel to x axis means is giving you the slope as 0. Slope is equal to 0. That means you will get minus 16x by 9y is 0, right? And that will give you the value of x as 0. Now when x is 0, what is y? You have to find out again in the given equation, given curve. So what y will be? Y square by 16 is equal to 1, right? When x is equal to 0, equation 1, substitute this. 1 implies y square by 16 is equal to 1, or y square is equal to 16, which will give you y as plus or minus 4. Now when you get this, the point will be either 0 comma 4 and 0 comma minus 4, two values or 2 points at which you have the tangent to be parallel to the x axis to the curve. Okay, so what you can say, therefore the points are 0 comma, x is having only one point, so it is 0 comma 4 and 0 comma minus 4. Understood? Now for the second case, it is parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis means the reciprocal of the, that means the normal, the other way. Okay, normal is 0, or you can say reciprocal of the slope of tangent or dy by dx will give you 0. What is the reciprocal? So parallel to y axis means you will have 1 by m, 1 by slope is equal to 0. That means you will get this, its reciprocal. This is your dy by dx or m. So you will get 9y by minus 9y by 16x equal to 0, or 9y equal to 0, or you can get y equal to 0. So the value of y will become 0. And when y is 0, what will happen to x? You have to substitute in equation number 1. Put y equal to 0 in 1. So you will get x square by 9 is equal to 1, or x square is equal to 9, or x is equal to plus or minus 3. Okay, therefore the points will be 3 comma 0 and minus 3 comma 0. Okay.